Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got this beautiful bottle green Lindsay bag to share with you today. Style number 9888. It was also made in the US and I would estimate sometime in the late 80s to early 90s. I'm guessing probably more accurately in the early 90s, but I don't know the exact year. So anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. It's got this strap that's attached to it, and it's got a matching hang tag. This is a two-sided hang tag, so it's got Coach stamped on both sides. It's also got a front magnetic snap closure. So this is how you would open and close the bag. And here's what the sides look like. The strap is sewn directly onto the bag. And then here's the back of the bag. And what's nice about the back is it does have a slip pocket. And then I'll go ahead and open the bag. So it's got a slip pocket here on the front as well, under the front flap. And it's also got a back zip pocket on the interior of the bag. So it's got 3 pockets, this one under the front flap, this is back zip pocket, and then the one along the back of the outside of the bag as well. So it's got plenty of pockets. And then it's also got the Coach Creed along the back zip pocket on the inside of the bag, but since it's really hard to pick up on camera due to the shape of this bag and the fact that the Creed is stamped a little lower inside the bag, I'll go ahead and insert a photo so you can see it better than I can pick up on camera. So you can see that the bag is authentic, of course. So anyway, that's the beautiful Lindsay bag. It's in this beautiful green color and it's in really beautiful condition. Looks like it was barely used. So it's a great bag. If anybody's interested, it is available now in our online shop. So the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed taking a little tour of this bag, and I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.